Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn date and time functions in Microsoft Excel. Date and time functions are very useful for attendance tracking, employee management, sales reports, project tracking and data analysis. By the end of this video, you will be able to work confidently with dates and times in Excel. Let's get started. First is today function. The today function returns the correct date automatically. For example, write the formula equal to sign today. It returns the correct date formatted as date. Give the brackets, enter. Now you can see the current date. Here it is the current date 11 June 2026. The today functions updates automatically whenever the workbook is open. The use cases of these functions is attendance sheets, daily reports and age calculations and etc. The next function is now function. It returns the correct date and time automatically. Write the formula. Now close the bracket, enter. Here you can see the correct date and time. It is here. So the unlike today and now gives the both date and current time, the use cases are login tracking, timestamp records and monitoring activities and etc. The next function is date function. The date function creates a date from year, month and day. For example, write the formula equal to sign date. Here you have to give the year. I will give 2026, comma, month is this one only, 6, day. The day is, today is 11, okay, 11, enter. Now you can see the date. The next function is day function. The day function extract day from date. For example, day. Here I have to give the serial number. The serial number includes day, month, year. So I have to choose this one. Close the bracket, enter. Here you can see the day 11. From this date, we extract from this date, the day is 11. The next is month. Month also extract from month number from the date. Month. Select the serial number. Close the bracket, enter. Now you can see the sixth month, which is June. The next is year. Choose the serial number. Close the bracket, enter. Here you can see the 2026 year extracted from this date. The next function is weekday function. It returns the day number of the week. For example, weekday. Here you can see it returns number from 1 to 7, identifying the day of the week of date. So click here, select the serial number, which is I will select this one only. Close the bracket, enter. Here you can see the 5. 5 means the week day is the 5, which is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which is means Thursday is the 5 number. Now let's learn one of the most useful Excel functions, the text function. Sometimes we have date in Excel, but instead of seeing the date, we want to display the day name such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. This is where the text function helps us. The text function converts value into specific format. Write text, open bracket, sorry. Here you can see the value. The value means date or number you want to format. I will choose this, comma, Format text means how you want the result to appear. So you write in double quotation. I will give the 4 times. So it will show result in full name, full day name. Enter. You can see the result Thursday. The next example for short day name. The short day name means in the before we give 4 times D, but now we give only 3 times. Enter. It will show the day names only the first 3 letters of the day name. The next function is EDATE. EDATE function add or subtract months from the date. For example, equal to, here you give the start date, this one, comma, months I will give 3. If I give 3, so it will add 3 months into this date. Close the bracket, enter. We have to convert this into date format, short date. Now you can see the here it is the date from June, July, August, September. So it will add the 3 months into this date. So you can see it is useful for contract expiry dates. The next function is hour function. The hour function returns hours from the time, equal to sign hour. It returns hours as number from 0 to 23, which means 12 a.m. to 11 p.m. Click here, give the serial number, which is I will give this one. Close. Now you can see the 20, it will have here 20 hour. The next function is minute. Same similar like hour, it will give the minutes from the time. Minute. Serial, select the serial number, close bracket, enter. It will have 46 minute. The next is second function. Second, it returns second number from 0 to 59. Serial number, enter. You can see the 29 second here. These are the date time function in Excel we used. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.